Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we would like to present our PBL project titled Nemu Kerja, a secure web-based job platform with CEM integration. This project focuses on implementing not only a functional web application, but also a secure infrastructure using firewall segmentation, secure communication, and centralized security monitoring. Next, this project was developed collaboratively by our team. I'm Hafiz Azim, acting as the group leader responsible for the web application, web server, and database. Fatimah Nur handled the CM implementation using Wazoo. Amatullah Nur Kaila worked on the web application, web server, and database support. And Fahri Fatur Rahman was responsible for PF Sense, Mod Security, and WAF implementation. The next slide will be explained by Nur Kaila.
Okay, thank you. Next, this is our PBL systems architecture. User traffic goes through PF Sense, then requests are inspected by Nginx and Mod Security. Logs are collected by Wazoo and monitored by the SOC. Next, this is the output of our project. We built a secure web application, a CM dashboard, and a secure network system. We also prepared documentation like a poster and a demo video. Next, okay, you can see here's the admin dashboard of our application. Next, this slide shows our CM monitoring implementation using Wazoo. Okay, the next slide will be read by my friends.
Okay, in this slide, show the current project achievement. The first one, web application core feature are completed, user authentication worked properly, the database is connected, and SSL or TLS enabled for secure data in transit. The second one, Wazoo is fully installed, agent are active, default rule are running, and alert are successfully centrally stored. And the last one is PF Sense, firewall rules and VLAN segmentation are configured, and VPN installation is completed with testing still ongoing. Next slide explain database security improvement. Like secure data in transit using SSL or TLS between web server and database server. Identification of sensitive data like email and phone number. And the last one is file path are hashed and encrypted to reduce complexity while maintaining data security. Okay, next. Okay, this slide is summarize PF Sense security status like firewall rules, VLAN segmentation, and VPN are implemented. Remaining issues include firewall, WAF, VPN, and database VLAN security gaps. Okay, next. This slide show the current Wazoo CM status. The server is operational with default rules enabled, but log integration and custom alert for authentication and basic web attacks are not yet implemented. Okay, next.
Okay, for the project backlog summary, for the first analysis and planning phase, define project scope, team, roles, course context, and adopted Agile SDLC. And then conducted system requirement analyzing, covering backend for using Flask, database using MySQL, and using Flask tool. Align project plan and RPP through coordination with the Pro. And then system and topology design, redesign network topology to improve security, scalability, and service separation. Integrated Kubernetes cluster into the web server environment. Finalize topology by removing non-essential components like CTI, Graylog, Grafana, the Hive to optimize resources. And then web application and implementation. Design and implement UI UX for authentication and core features. Develop key application functionalities including authentication, profile management, search filter, and etc. Refactor front-end stack and implement it by internationalization. And then for database design and security, design and implement database schema with proper constraint and validation. Implement secure in transit using TLS with internal PKI and strict database ACL. Implement it by secure at rest using disk level encryption or looks on man and backup database. And then 5, infrastructure deployment. Provision and configure virtual machine for web and database services. Prepare application for deployment by cleaning development artifact and configuring deployment files. Harden environment configuration and security settings. And then 6, CM and security monitoring or Wazoo. Install and configure Wazoo indexer, manager, and dashboard. And then deployed Wazoo agent across all critical systems in multiple VLANs, and then integrated security alerts with Discord and validated alert delivery. And then last, monitoring, and then last 7, monitoring and evaluation and finalization. Evaluated system functionality, security controls, and UI consistency, validated logging, alerting, and cross-component integration, and then finalized backlog and documentation based on testing and review results. And then the project will explain by my friends.
Okay, thank you, Fatima. To summarize the challenge, the main issue was integration complexity between multiple security components. We also faced time constraints, which limited deeper security tuning. Additionally, VPN connectivity during testing was not fully stable, and custom alert creation in Wazoo was limited due to role dependencies. Next, for future development, we plan to further harden the Nginx and web server configuration and improve application features. On the network side, we aim to migrate firewall rules to address-based filtering. tighten database file access, and complete VPN testing. For monitoring, Wazoo will be enhanced with custom detection rules, authentication alerts, and basic attack detection such as XSS and SQL injection. Next, in conclusion, this project demonstrates a secure web platform supported by proper network security and centralized monitoring. While improvements are still needed, the current system provides a solid foundation for future enhancement. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.